That's been a problem for the mechanics all the way down. I guess because it's sort of slightly faceless band. And we go on tour and people say to me, less so now, but initially they say to me, I know all those songs. I didn't know I knew the mechanics that well. Or someone would bring their friend along who didn't know the mechanics and go, I know most of the songs. So it's better now because we've toured more. But it's still the same. Actually in Cape Town recently someone said, their friend said they knew all the songs, they weren't aware of the mechanics.
DCT torque converter, how to fix? Like